Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well and having a good day. If you're new around here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle, DIY, motherhood and a little bit of everything really. So if you're new around here, welcome. I love having you on board. I'd like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you. This might not sound like a big thing or a big deal, but last week I hit 400 subscribers and you know, the feeling of that was just so exciting. So if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, help me get to 1,000 and more, and just follow me on this journey. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Poundland haul. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do is put you on the tripod because I want to show you my 10 favourite Poundland items which I've picked up. Mainly for the kitchen, you know. So these are the items that I use on a regular basis around the kitchen. I just find them so useful and so practical. I mean, Poundland are absolutely killing it. You know, I popped in there the other day to get some essentials and I had to sort of put my blinkers on because the garden section and the picnic section was like, wow, you know. Okay, so I've got the items just behind me here. I don't really want to turn my back on you guys, but this is the only space that I have in this office to put them right now. So I'm going to be very quick with this one. Okay, so the first item I'm going to show you are these measuring cups. Now, since lockdown, since quarantine, we've all been at home and I'm sure we're all doing a lot more baking. Well, we are anyway. You know, we do little cupcakes with Oakley, we make cookies. These are so practical for baking, for measuring out. Absolutely amazing from Poundland. This is something that I've actually got quite recently from Poundland, I must say, since lockdown, like I said. Poundland has always had these. I've seen them in there, but not in the grey. They've always had it in like mixed colours of pink and blue. I know they're only going to be stored away in your drawer and no one's going to see them. I just like the fact that they are grey. So that's those. And these you can still find in Poundland and they are £1. I have to say that because Poundland are now selling items like which are not pounds, selling £2 and £5 items in there. So I'm just saying that these were £1. Okay, so next up is this grater with this collection box. Again, another amazing practical item from Poundland, guys. You know, you just grate your cheese or your carrots in there. You can grate a whole mix of vegetables. That's what we do. You know, I grate carrots, potatoes, cheese, anything that you can actually grate in here. The good thing about this one, it's got like a little storage box. So everything falls into the box. And you can sort of take it away and then bag it up, put them in the freezer or refrigerator. So that's that. And this is £1 in Poundland and you can still find these in Poundland. Next up is this cute cup and saucer set. I've had this for a good 4 years. They come as a set. And could you believe, guys, this is just £1 in Poundland. Unfortunately, you can't get these anymore, but I think they're doing something similar, but the cup is more square and the cup is white as well. I think at the time, back in the day, like 4 years ago, might even be longer actually, I picked up about 4 or 6 of these as a set, and they also had, oh, I forgot to bring the bowl up from downstairs. They also have like a cereal bowl as well in the grey. So that's that there. Okay, so next up, you would have seen this on one of my hauls. I'll link it down below. Can't remember which one it was. I think it was a Valentine's haul. I can't remember, but I will link it. These jars. Now, I absolutely love these jars. Like, Poundland used to have these with a gold lid, but I was actually waiting for them to get them in silver, and they got them in silver back in, I think, end of January, February. I can hear myself echoing through the glass actually. That's weird. Sorry. Yeah, I think they got these at the end of January, beginning of February, towards Valentine's Day. And I picked up like 6 of these and I absolutely love them. I use them in the kitchen for storing like dry food. And I've also got one in my office just here up on the shelf. Bear with me, I'll just get it. Just here with this flower inside. It's got multiple uses because I've used it as a vase or a vase. And you can actually use it as a storage jar as well. So I absolutely love that. And Poundland, I went in there the other day and they still have these. Next up is this water jug. I think it holds 1 litre of liquid. And again, I absolutely love this. This is so practical. Before lockdown and Oakley's little friends will come over, I'll make up some juice in this and then I'll be able to pour it into their cups quite easily. You know, just have it on the shelf in the kitchen or in the fridge. And you know, it's just so practical and so easy to use. The handle itself, see the handle on there, it's a good grip on it. The fact that it's got the grey lid on it as well, I thought, yep, I'm gonna get that. I think I got this around Christmas time last year, and I will say that Poundland do still do these. So yeah, great buy. Okay, so next up are these. Now, do you know what these are? These are oven mitts. Yes, oven mitts, silicone oven mitts, and I've just find them so handy and so practical. Honestly, you know, you've got the hot oven tray, open your oven, pull the tray out with these both in your hands like that. I mean, the feel of them, the grip of them is absolutely amazing. And again, great value for Poundland, just at £1, guys, and you get a pair for £1. So I think that's really good. And I think Poundland do still do these. I'm not sure they do them in the grey, but again, I've got these from, like, I don't know how long. I've had these from last year sometime, but I think they still do them. So this is one of my favourites. I use this like nearly every day. Okay, so the next item, I'm going to stand on this side because the wall might not show this through. But the next item is this gin glass. Now, when I went into Poundland and I saw these, when I first saw these in Poundland, you know, I thought, that's a big wine glass, you know, not knowing that it was a gin glass. And underneath the label actually had gin glass. We're really into our gin at the moment. Gin seems to be like the best drink ever, especially that we've had this hot weather. You know, I love a pink gin, you know. But these glasses, I mean, I'm saying this glass, I'm saying glasses because I've got another 6 of them downstairs, or another 7 of them downstairs in the kitchen. Basically, I got these about 2 years ago in Poundland. 2 years ago. Not Christmas gone, the Christmas before. And when I popped into Poundland the other day, I must say that I did see some of these. You know, they looked little bit smaller, but they are still gin glasses. So this is also one of my favourites from Poundland. And again, I mean, look at this, guys. Absolutely amazing. Amazing value for Poundland. Okay, so the next item, I think this might be number 8. I've lost count, but the next item anyway, were these mugs. Now, this is a larger style mug. It says a cup of tea sells everything. I've had these for around 2 or 3 years, and I use this every day. I must say, they wash really well with the dishwasher, and I just like the size of it, because sometimes I like a large cup of tea. I have them up on the shelf, and they look so good. The grey, the white, and the black, and this sort of is it herringbone? Herringbone? Yeah, I think it's herringbone. This herringbone pattern, really amazing for Poundland. And like I said, I've had them for 2 years, and they haven't even, they've got no scratches on it. The paintwork hasn't come off. Amazing. So yeah, so that's that. This next item, I went into Poundland. I know you're gonna think that I'm, you know, Poundland queen or something, but basically I popped into Poundland the other day. I needed to get some batteries for Oakley's bubble machine, so I popped in there, and the staff in my local Poundland, they know me very well, as I am a regular customer. I got the batteries, and then the lovely assistant who knows that I always come in and pick up some new items for homeware, she showed me this next item. So let me show you guys. Okay, so she showed me these. Can you see them? They're drinks tumblers, and they've got like this kind of bubbly effect on it. Now, yeah, so she showed me these, and I thought, I don't really need any more glasses, you know. My whole kitchen cupboard needs to be decluttered before I can buy any more glasses. But then she whispered to me, these are the only 2 left. So once she said that to me, I was like, you know how it is. When you go into Poundland and you see something that you like, you have to get it that time, because sometimes you go back and they don't have it. So she is all boxed up in a carton. 2 for £1. I thought that was really good. I thought, okay, if I don't use them for the drinks tumbler, I mean, this would be really nice for gin as well, I must say. But if I don't use it for a drinks tumbler, I can use it as a candle holder, because I thought that bubbly effect, the reflection, you know, the reflection it will give out will be absolutely amazing. So I got them, okay. And then to top it off, I noticed that one of them had a slight chip in it. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's like a dented circly thing in there, and it's quite rough. It's quite rough to touch. So guess what, guys? I got the 2 for 50p. I was willing to pay the £1 for them because they are so lovely and they are new to Poundland. but the manager actually gave me 50p off because of the dent in that one. So I thought I can definitely use that one as a candle holder and just use that one as a tumbler. Now let me show you the next item. Sorry, forgive me for having to turn my back on you. I really don't want to do that. I'm trying to modify this. I'm trying to get this chest of drawers modified so I can put some casters on it, some wheels on it, so I can actually move it around and actually stand in front of it when I'm doing my videos. But that's all going to happen sort of after lockdown, I think so, unless I can get the wheels on Amazon, which I probably could. So yeah, that might be a office update. But anyway, going back to this. So after getting the 50p discount on the tumbler, the assistant then said to me, have you seen the jug that goes with the tumblers? And I was like, no, I didn't see a jug. She said, go down the homeware aisle, there's 1 or 2 jugs left and it matches the tumblers. So I went down and this is what I got. Look how beautiful this is, everyone. Would you not agree with me? And now the fact that I've got the tumbler to go with it, can make a nice refreshing drink with that and just pour it into the glass and I'm good to go. So I thought this looked really classy, something that you'll see in Habitat or, you know, one of those more higher end homeware stores. And again, I'm going to say my favorite words on my YouTube. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I must say it is glass. So it is glass and they are quite fragile. I mean, if I do that, you can just hear it. Never had anything at the time to wrap this with. So lucky thing, what I did, I took off my cardigan because the weather was quite warm. Took off my cardigan, just wrapped my cardigan around the jug and I just popped it into my bag really gently, really gently. So this is it, guys. I absolutely love it. So that's my 10 items. That's my 10 favourite items from Poundland, guys. So that's the end of this video, guys. I really hoped you liked it. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of when I post my next videos. And also, don't forget to share the love, guys. If you have a friend, if you have friends or family members that you think might like my videos or get some inspiration from my videos, please feel free to share them. Share the love. I must say I'm very happy to announce that I've hit 400 subscribers. It might not sound like a big thing to many of you, but 400 subscribers is a big thing for me. You know, I mean, I haven't really been consistent with my posting up until recent times. So like I said, I post videos on a weekly basis on many different subjects. So yes, if there's something that you would like to see on my channel, please leave a comment down below. And also I have an Instagram account, so if you want to pop over to my Instagram account and just start following me on there. I was actually contemplating on opening another Instagram account, amandaoakince home. I do love homeware and we are planning some renovations in our house, so I thought I'd get the ball rolling for that and just like start that as well. So let me know if you think that's a good idea for me to do that. To do the second Instagram channel. But while we're on YouTube, thank you so much for subscribing and being part of the family. I'm so excited for the future and, you know, I love you all. So if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified of when I post my next videos, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! Oh, stay safe. Bye!